All right, guys, we got real-time confirmation here. Looks like we found support right here around 243. We got a signal candle, confirmation candle, and we would have entered the trade 10% to 25% of the ATR above the confirmation candle. We would have been triggered in, and yeah, off to the races. Look at this live confirmation. You could probably set a target to right before 307. That's the high of the day. Um, and that would be your day trade. And we would actually, one thing that you could do to see how far this could go is we can just measure from down here to up here and duplicate it just to see how far this might run. So you'll notice that the markets are symmetrical. So this run up could equal this run up, and we'll see if it hits. I will keep you guys posted. But first target could be about right before 307 because you don't want to set it too right at the high, the previous high of the previous pivot, because we're swing traders, we're pivot to pivot traders. So you could do like, 303 to be conservative. And then the next target price too, we could do, again, you don't want to go all the way to the high because you do want your order to sell to get filled. So the high is about 376. If this would be a symmetrical move, we could do like 370, 369. And the other thing too is you can just set an alert. You could set an alert to just say, hey, I need to look at my chart here where the first target price is, and then again maybe around here, and then I'm gonna get a text to say, hey, look at your chart and see if one of my targets is being hit. Do I want to get out of the trade? What do I do? So we got our signal, we got our confirmation. Stochastic was in an oversold position. MACD is coming back up. We got higher volume on the signal and confirmation than we do on the pullback here. So you see small body candlesticks, smaller volume, then the volume increase. And as you can see, price action is continuing up. So let me know if that helps you guys. This is how you would trade pre-market high volume alerts from our alert channel. I hope you got some value after this. And feel free to go to learntostock.com and sign up. We're here to help.